Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today, we're checking out a Glock 19 with titanium blue Cerakote on the frame, of course. This is apparently Cerakote's old school recipe for titanium blue that they just brought back out and replaced the more kind of gray titanium that they had. So it's a real blue, and it pops. But I think it looks really good. This guy's got a kind of a belt clip on there as well. Pretty cool. Minimalist approach to concealed carry. This color is cool. It's got this really nice metallic sheen to it. It's almost like a satin aluminum meets Ridgeway blue or something like that. Change the lighting real quick. You can see how blue it is. But it's cool. I like this setup. It's fun. But yeah, Glock 19. Pocket clip. And of course, titanium blue. Pretty sweet. Anyways, y'all, as always, questions, comments, concerns, leave them. And I'll answer accordingly. Until next time.